I love my Huion LED Light Pad. I use it to make fonts, graphics, and t-shirt designs. Here's 3 main reasons why I like it. Reason number 1 is the price point. You can easily get this for under $100 US. Just search on Amazon, for example, under Huion LED Light Pad. Reason number 2 I like it is the size. I bought the A3 size, and that gives me an illuminated workspace of 18.9 inches by 14.2 inches. So that equates to about 48 centimeters by 36 centimeters. So I find that it easily fits a regular 8.5 by 11 letter-sized piece of paper, and I regularly draw on 11 by 17 inch comic book-sized artboard. Quick aside, it comes in this box, and I love how on the box it lists uses such as animation teachings, professional drawings, got it. But what is up with X-ray viewer in the hospital? No offense, but if I'm getting my doctor to look at my X-rays with the same technology I used to draw Batman, I think I'll drag myself to another hospital. Anyway, reason number 3, I like that the Huion is really lightweight and thin. It's only 0.3 inches wide, which is less than 1 centimeter thick. Something to be aware of, it is not battery powered, so you need to be near an electrical outlet. I find that it works great for my art table, and there is a plug-in nearby. So to turn it on, just press the power button once quickly, and it powers right up to full illumination. To dim it, hold the button down, and it'll start to get darker. To press it once quickly, and it turns right off. I typically use the Huion to make comic book sketches, and I'll often use a drawing as a reference for spacing on the page if I'm trying to learn an art technique, like how to draw a specific part of a body or a face. I hope you found this quick review helpful. I do recommend the Huion because of the price, the large working area, and the size and weight. I can take it with me when I travel and have some fun working on artwork while I'm on vacation or at home. Thanks a lot for watching, and here's another video on how you can take your art skills to the next level.